Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. This video is going to be a look at the system lockout function in MYOB Advanced. MYOB Advanced lets a sufficiently privileged user put the system into lockout mode for maintenance, such as taking and restoring snapshots, making configuration changes, or installing customizations. When the system is in lockout mode, only people with sufficient permissions can log in. All other users are logged out for the duration of the lockout. It's important to note here that snapshots can only be taken or restored when the system is in lockout mode. The ability to initiate a system lockout is controlled by user roles. Only the Lockout Manager and Snapshot user roles give a user access to the system lockout controls. Snapshot users can initiate a lockout, then log in and perform snapshot maintenance only, while lockout managers can access any function during a lockout. Both roles are only available for users with a full user license type or for the partner support user. Users with the Snapshot user or Lockout Manager role can access the Schedule Lockout screen in the System Management module. To put the system in lockout mode, first set the time when the lockout will start. This has to be at least 20 minutes into the future. In other words, there must always be a warning period of at least 20 minutes before the lockout starts. Next, select the reason for the lockout. This determines who can log in during the lockout. The reason set to snapshots, then users with the Snapshot user or Lockout Manager role will be able to log in during the lockout period. If it's set to other, then only users with the Lockout Manager role will be able to log in. Once the options are set, click Lock System to schedule the lockout. The status changes to Lockout Pending, and the button changes to Cancel Lockout. You can click this any time during the warning period to cancel the lockout. As soon as the system logout is scheduled, a warning message appears at the bottom of all screens for all users, giving users time to save their work and log out before the lockout starts. The login screen also displays information about the logout to any users trying to log in during the warning period. Once the lockout begins, any users who are still logged in are redirected to a maintenance screen and are unable to access any other MYOB Advanced screens. The logout screen now displays a message stating that only system administrators can log in, that is, only users with the Snapshot user or Lockout Manager roles, or only Lockout Manager roles if the snapshot's reason was set to other. Once logged in, users with the Snapshot user role can manage snapshots, and users with the Lockout Manager role can perform any action. Once all maintenance work is complete, the lockout can be ended by returning to the Schedule Lockout screen and clicking Unlock. Once the lockout ends, all users will be able to log into the system, and any users who were logged in at the time and were redirected to the maintenance screen will be automatically redirected back to the screens they were using before the lockout began. And that concludes our look at the system lockout function in MYOB Advanced. Thanks for watching.